Hey guys, so I'm here at 4466 Jude Way. There's the front of the house. It's a lighter brick. This neighborhood was built by Breland, so there's only one way in, one way out. This is 2,000 square foot. It is fenced. There is a gate on either side. Has a nice front porch. It is built up a little bit higher. You'll notice when you come into the neighborhood, it's a little bit lower. Gate on that side. So it's all brick all the way around with hardy board on the top. Nice front porch. All right, nice craftsman size style door. All right, walking in to the foyer, you have the wainscoting. I let it fly in. So this does not have any carpet. So closet off to your right. And then this is your flex space. Looks out to the front. So they use this as an office, has the double doors. And there's no closet in here, so it is a flex space. Here is your half bath, pedestal sink. And then venturing on, you have your kitchen with granite, looking into your living space, and then here is room for your dining room. So nice tray ceiling in there. So there is a bar here. This was built in 2020, so the cabinets are new. It's your pantry. So it has a good amount of cabinets. They are not soft close, but that's something that you can add. The uppers. I do love this granite color. It's called Odyssey Brown. LG fridge, French door style. It's in good shape. I think I don't know if there's kind of a dent right there or not, or if it's just the way can't tell. Yeah, maybe there's a couple of little dings in it. It's not bad though. Dishwasher. They did the oversized sink in here, and this does have a sensor. So that's really fancy. Samsung and Samsung microwave. But plenty of cabinets. So 2 uppers, 2 lowers. It's probably nope. I was thinking that was gonna be the trash. All right, and then coming in here, you have your laundry room and then an extra space, so you really could do a little mud room catch-all there. HVAC, which it's August 2020. There's your clean out. You take this little tube off and then you do your bleach and warm water a couple of times a month. It cleans out that line so that sludge doesn't build up and come back into the house. So, but that's a good little space there. All right. They did add the attic stairs, and also the person's dad put 3/4 inch plywood up, and so you're able to store a bunch of stuff up there. There's a floor up there already made for you. So this has a whole house water filter on there. That's what that is. And then your water heater. So that's nice. There's your fabric shield for your windows, upgraded door. All right. So nice size dining, and then living space here, plenty of room. You can do your TV on either side. There's a covered patio, and this is fenced all the way around. Off to the right is the master, so we're gonna go over here and see these 2 bedrooms. So first bedroom that faces the backyard. Everything has blinds too. They just pulled them up for me. Nice walk-in. And the closets are lighted, so that's nice. And then bathroom. I was about to say, where's the toilet? So tub shower combo. So, you know, at least they do have a nice vanity all the way across. It kind of looks like it's very close to the tub, but I'm sure that's, you know, nice to have typically they would probably have just had a vanity that was just this wide, so that gives you a little bit more counter space. And then this room. So they did paint these 2 walls red. She doesn't know why. But it's still a good sized room. It just needs, obviously, those painted back white, which I'm sure we can find out the paint color. And then another walk-in lighted closet. I'm gonna start turning these lights off. And then this looks out to the side yard. Okay. And tray ceiling with the lights in there. Let's go into the master. So nice size master, 2 windows. It looks off to the side. Does have a fan in here, and then the lights in the tray. So good size room. Walking into the master bath, you've got double vanity with stand-up shower, soaking tub. So obviously upgrade that one day. Water closet. And then your master closet. So, and obviously building this out, you could create a lot more space by doing a custom closet than just having this bar going all the way across, so you could have double hanging. But this is nice that it's all luxury vinyl plank throughout and no carpet. Like I said, the granite is very, very nice. Nice quiet neighborhood. This is a 2020, so your insurance will be very good. All right. Turn this off and let's go out back. So again, looking that way. So I think this is like 2,100 square feet. All right, nice covered patio. She said this always stays shaded because I guess the way the house sits. So the sun's probably going, yeah, it comes up on the east and goes down on the west. So side yard there, and they do, there are gutters all the way around the house. So that's nice. That was another upgrade. But this is a nice size yard. And then a little privacy, but there is a fence going along the back. So I think they just let this grow up. But I've already seen a cardinal and a bluebird and a bunch of birds that are in this, and then with that little house. So looking back, you can hear, yeah, tweeting. And then there's the side yard there. So very nice size yard. All right, again, there's master on that side, 2 bedrooms and a bath. So, I mean, you could put a door on that and she could have her own little wing on that side. Nice size living space. Dining room. I mean, that's a big dining room though. You could do something else there too. Kitchen with enough room for bar stools. Laundry, and a little mud room I would do next to it. And then the office space. All right, very good. Let me know what you think.